Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you an iPhone trick. So this is how to get the clear heart symbol on iPhone. So you see if you go to emoji, and then you only get these hearts on your iPhone. So to get the clear heart is you have to add the Japanese um, keyboard, and then you go there, and then you see there the symbols are you have the clear heart and the full heart there. So to add another symbol is you can just play around with the Japanese keyboard, because it has more symbols there. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.